Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Every night I faced the relentless hum of city life, the noise, the distractions. Sleep was elusive. Then I discovered the Yoga Sleep Dome Classic. Its soothing, customizable white noise enveloped me in calm, silencing chaos with a simple flick of a switch. The result? Restful sleep, rejuvenated mornings. Experience peace and sound. Let the Dome Classic redefine your nights. Buy yours today.
Product 2.
Okay, imagine this. It's Saturday morning and you're craving sausage but beyond tired of wrestling with that stovetop mess, right? You're over the drippy grease, overcooked links. Believe me, I've been there. Then, bam, I tried the Johnsonville Sizzling Sausage Grill Plus. It's like having a grilling expert right in your kitchen. Pop them in, press that button, and you're rocking juicy, perfectly cooked sausages in minutes. Seriously, perfect every time. Less mess, more bite. Try it. Your breakfast game will never be the same.
Product 3.
Switch to the Crosson Griddle and it's like magic in my kitchen. No more uneven cooking. It's all about that smooth, consistent heat. The griddle's splash guards save me from messy situations, and cleaning, a total cinch with the grease tray. From pancakes at home to burgers at the cafe, this beast handles it all. Elevate your cooking game today.
Product 4.
I remember the first time the aroma of sizzling steaks filled my kitchen, thanks to the Ninja Sizzle. With edge-to-edge even heat and the ability to switch effortlessly between grill and griddle plates, my old cooking hassles vanished. This compact powerhouse reached 500 degrees, turning burgers succulent and veggies perfectly seared. Cleanup, a breeze. Discover exceptional meals at your convenience. Elevate your cooking game today. Your future self will thank you.
Product 5.
Struggling with overcooked meats? My go-to is the Smart Thermometer probe for my Ninja SP351. With its high-precision stainless steel probe, it's a breeze to track meat temperatures accurately, ensuring perfect results every time. Cleanup is simple, and if you ever need support, they're quick to assist. This probe has made consistent meal prep achievable, enhancing my cooking experience.
Product 6.
I was really tired of dealing with the whole propane and charcoal mess just to grill at home. Then I tried the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill. Let me tell you, it's like grilling with peace of mind. No flare-ups, just perfectly cooked meals every time. The non-stick surface is a dream, and cleaning up is a breeze. It's great for my apartment and family get-togethers, Ready to make grilling simple and stress-free? Grab yours today.